yeah, take that, and take another one. What are you guys talking about? There's nothing there. How could you say that, Rat? The invisible Pokemon is over there. I think you've been out in the sun for too long. There's nothing there. Rat, watch out, it's coming for you. What? I can't believe we made Rat hit air. This is so funny. I got him. I will eat your bones. Wait, it's real? I thought they were just pretending. It wants to eat our bones. Let's get him!
I won't eat your bones, I swear. Just let me go.
We don't believe you. Let's beat him up again. Yeah, let's get him.